Did you know that we are losing species at an alarming rate? Every day, our planet faces the threat of vanishing biodiversity. This loss harms ecosystems, wildlife, and humans. Biodiversity is Earth's variety of life. It covers species, genes, and ecosystems, with conservation protecting this diversity. Today, we will explore the trends in biodiversity loss. We will also look into factors causing this decline. Lastly, we will evaluate successful conservation strategies. First, let's discuss current trends. Recent studies show species are vanishing rapidly, with 1 million at risk, threatening food and water. Now, what causes this decline? Urbanization destroys habitats. Climate change alters ecosystems and food sources. Pollution poisons wildlife and breeds disease. Overexploitation pushes species to the brink. Conservation strategies include reserves, reforestation, and laws promoting sustainability. Community involvement educates and empowers local stewards. For example, the reintroduction of wolves in Yellowstone National Park demonstrates successful recovery. This practice restored balance and improved biodiversity. Nature thrived once again through human intervention. In summary, biodiversity loss from human impacts is urgent, needing protected areas and community action. Join us in advocating for our planet. Help protect biodiversity. Share this video, spread awareness, and take action today. In the next video we will discuss about soil sustainability. Stay connected to receive the latest updates and information. Thank you.